In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the buttons on your phone for speed dials. Once logged into the admin Commportal, you'll navigate to the left toolbar and click on the Phones tab. From this list, you will identify which phone you're working on and click the Actions option to the right with the down arrow. From here, you will choose Configure Your Phone. A new page will open that'll show you a picture of the phone you're working on. Click the Edit button. The available edit options will then load, showing a picture of the phone off to the left side of the screen, along with all of the different options you can maximize for programming. For this example, I'm going to show you how to program speed dial options, which are generally these top buttons to the left. If you hover your cursor over the middle of the buttons, a blue square will appear. If you click that button, it's going to maximize any options you can program. The first thing you'll see is our key capabilities. This gives you the option to disable or enable any of the features for that individual user. For this example, I'm going to minimize those options. Here you'll see key 1 labeled all the way through key 20. You do have 20 buttons available to program within these 6 options here. You'll notice that there's only 6 buttons, so this 6th option here on the screen will identify a series of dots telling you which page you are on and also let you navigate through the extra speed dial options that are not on face value. Key 1, under the soft key action, you're going to click on the arrow. These are the different feature options you can choose to program for that individual button. I am going to program an enhanced monitored extension. What this does is this allows you to monitor internal extensions using enhanced monitoring, which allows you to see whether the caller or that individual phone is on a call, available, or somebody is calling it. Here, you will always leave this option as line 1. That's going to pick up line 1 on your buttons for any call monitoring. Always leave this line 1. Under the extensions option, you can either click in a name of somebody that's already in your business group, or you can manually type in the extension. This asks you if you want to use a subscriber's name as the label. If you click this yes, and this extension was in my business group, it'll automatically load the label here. This particular extension is not in my business group, so I will manually add the label of Karina. Also make note that anything in this label option is what will show up on the screen of your programmed buttons. Up here is all internal programming. This is what the actual user will see on their screen. Again, enhanced monitored extension is only available for internal extensions within your business group. For key 2, I'm going to program an external number. Under my soft key action, I'm going to choose enhanced speed dial. Again, line 1 will always remain line 1. The number option, it looks like we had a number in here previously. I will change that. And you do want to add this in here as you would dial. So if it is a long distance number, please make sure to include that 1520 or whatever the area code is to make sure that that call flows correctly. Under my label option, which again is what the user is going to see on the screen, I'm going to put in Karina Cell. Once you're finished programming your buttons, you're going to click the Save Changes option in the bottom right. If you'd like to see the changes automatically, you can let the phone update overnight and the changes will be available in the morning. If you want to see them immediately, you can reboot the phone by unplugging it and plugging it back in, and you will be able to see the changes that you've made immediately. And that concludes this video.